This is a quick video to show you how to factory reset your Nissan Qashqai 2025 head unit. So you're going to press this settings cog here, go into system settings, go into system. You've got reset options, you're going to hit that. Then erase all data factory reset. This will reset all data from your vehicle's head unit, including your Google account, system app data settings, downloadable apps. So you'll read through that, press reset, and it's going to say erase everything. Erase all your personal information and downloadable apps. You can't undo this once you've pressed erase everything. Hit erase everything, and then the head unit will go off. Sorry about the sun. Your main display will be saying that. I'm just going to keep recording it. Just get that circle saying erasing. It just take about a minute. But if you've got any problems, this should cure everything. Obviously, you're setting it back to just like brand new. And then it will ask you to set up a profile. Just accept the terms and conditions. And I'm just you can customize your profile. I'm just putting finish for now. And there you go, that's a Nissan Qashqai's head unit factory resetted. So if you do have any problems, remember to drop a comment in the comment box below. Subscribe to see more videos. Thanks for watching.